Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, let me show you how you can use Roto Brush in After Effects. First, let's open your After Effects. Import your file in this composition to start. In our case, I'll just type some text over here, then scale up your text. Then on the render queue, click your video over here, click Ctrl+D, and move it to the top, and we will double click this. From here, click Roto Brush on the top and select the subject of their video. You can zoom in to see the details and brush all the details you want to add. Then if there's some details that you don't need to add, just click out and your brush will go red. Then highlight it to remove this. If you feel that you're good to go, let's go back to your first composition over here, and there you have it. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!